Dude.
Why does everybody hate the Micro Draco? I feel like this is actually a really good gun because you're getting a rifle cartridge in a very small package. Now, you could have an AR pistol about the same size, but you're gonna be stuck with that buffer tube. And I feel like a big part of the reason why people like to say this gun is inaccurate is because from the factory, it does not come with a brace nor stock, as well as having a short barrel. And that makes people think that it's just automatically inaccurate, which is not true. You're just a bad